What up, C-Dog Gang? Back again with another video, you heard me? We got, yeah. That's Candace, aka C-Dog, you know what I'm saying? We got Juju Bean over here, you know what I'm saying? Aka Fat, aka Mama, aka, you know what I'm saying? And let's put that on. We over here at her hearing test. I don't know why she gotta do a hearing test, but check out though, you know what I'm saying? Jersey, look, Mama.
Look at your mom.
Look. Now you want the camera. Now you want the camera. Mama. Yeah, I see that feet. Come on, stop playing crazy. Yeah. Appreciate. Can I say something? Yeah. So, we here. They ain't called us back to the back yet, though. Hopefully soon. You know what I'm saying? And we're going to let y'all know what happens when we get back there. Okay, bye-bye. All right, y'all. We out.
Over here. Peekaboo, peekaboo. You did it. Good job. Hi, Jersey. Peekaboo. Pop, 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 pop. Look. I'm over here. Can you find me? Good job.
So what up, gang? As y'all can see, we back at the crib. Chillaxing. You got trouble right here. Hey, say hi. Yeah, he tired. He went outside for like 5 minutes. Jersey, say hi. Say hi. As y'all can see, she chewing on the sock. But anyway, the hearing test went good. She passed the newborn test. She got to go and take another one in like 4 to 6 months or something like that. And wanted to be, you know, like past a year. Past a year of age. So she got to go back in like 4 to 6 months, and she got to take another test, and she got to see how she doing then. Hopefully everything should go good. They say there's no fluid on her ears or nothing like that, so obviously that's a positive. So, you know, we'll go back there then and see what's going on. But Jersey did good. You say you did good, Mama? Say you did good. Say you did good. She don't want to take no nap. She been clowning, yeah. Mama, you did good? Huh? You did good? Yeah. Good job. Yeah? So, yeah, y'all. That's pretty much what's going on. You know, more videos and stuff coming soon, like I said. So, just be aware of that. Say, like, comment, subscribe, mama. Right now, we watching Coco Melon, so, you know, we're going to turn that down. You know what I'm saying? So, put some music in there, so I ain't got to hear it. But we out.